This is a cool down, since we don't have many of those on this channel. We're gonna practice the hard part. It gets a little groovy. Just feel the music. You got this, booties. Step right foot. Step, throw. Step, throw. And then you do a little jazz square with some fun arms. Step, throw. Step, back, throw. Speed it up. Step, back, throw, together. Wind it out.
You know it's not the end. We'll fall in love again, 'cause we were built in dreams of gold.
Both arms, same feet.
And it may not be today. True love will find a way. Just save a space for me.
Ba-ba.
And I know you've moved on.
Ball change.
She will never love you.
Throw it away.
The way that I do. Now I'm dancing
Freestyle
solo,
pose.
slowly disappearing. It still hurts when I see you with her. Just
Groove.
save room for us.
Step back, throw.
Just save room for us.
You now know everything.
Just save room for us. I trust you'll come back for us someday. Just save room for us. And I know you've moved on. She will never love you all the way that I do. Now I'm dancing
throw it away.
solo, slowly disappearing. It still hurts when I see you with her.
Step, right, throw,
Save
now.
room for us. I know you feel it somewhere, somewhere. Just save room for us.
Ooh, you're vibing, booties.
Just you'll come back for us someday. Just save room
Wine.
for us. You know it's not the end. We'll fall in love again, 'cause we were built in dreams of gold.
Double arms.
Just save room for us. And it may not be today. True love will find a way. Just save a space for me.
Pose it out right now.
I know you feel it somewhere, somewhere.
If you like this cool down, subscribe, click that Invisalign. Click that notification bell below for more videos. We hope we chilled you out, and we'll have some other videos that'll rev you up.